Changing mobile number in your C3P application is very important, especially if you have lost your mobile phone. In this video, I will guide you step by step how to change your mobile number in C3P application. Do not skip the video, watch till end. If you skip, you might miss some important steps. Friends, we have got one more C3P application and this belongs to one of my friend. She has lost her old mobile and right now the good thing is that she remembers her C3P mobile number and password, and successfully we have logged in to the application using the C3P card. But right now the main issue is we need to change the mobile number because we have lost our old phone. Okay, so I will show you step by step how to change the mobile number in C3P app and change mobile number from old number to new number. So I will just let you know that in order to do this, few things we need to keep in mind. We should be having the C3P application mobile number and password handy with us, the C3P card and the new number that you want to replace it with. Okay, so first of all, as you can check, we have opened the C3P application and the first thing we'll do, we'll just simply click on the profile as you can check here. Okay, so we'll click here. Once the profile opens, you can see the last option, it says update mobile number. Okay, so we'll just click here, update mobile number. Now this is very important. You have to select which card you have with you. Okay, C3P gives you two types of card. One is blue color card, one is black color card. Either of the one you have, you need to select the correct one. So accordingly, we will just proceed further. And for this case, we have got black card with us. So we'll click on black card. Okay, and now you can check, here is the place where we need to enter the 16-digit code that is available in our card. We'll just enter here. Okay, so as we can check, we have successfully entered the 16-digit card number here, and the next step is we'll just click on the next button. Stay tuned, watch till end, because one mistake, your mobile number will not be updated. Okay, and you can check here, this is the place where we will enter the CVV number. In the same C3P card, you will find this 3-digit number. Okay, just beside the white patch, and that is your CVV number. We'll enter here the CVV number. So once we enter the CVV number, the next step is we'll just click on the next button. As we can check, after we click on the next button, we have got place where we have to enter the ATM PIN number, the C3P card that you have. Okay, the same C3P card has got an ATM PIN with which you go to ATM and withdraw your money, right? So in this place, we need to enter the same ATM PIN of your C3P card. Okay, so we'll enter the C3Pay ATM PIN here. So after entering the C3Pay ATM PIN here, we will simply click on next. It is taking a little bit of time. Okay, as I said, we will be needing the C3Pay password also. This is the password with which we log in every time our C3Pay application. Okay, this is the same password, so do not make mistake and enter the correct password that you have created while creating your C3Pay for the first time, or if you have changed it anytime, you just need to enter the same C3Pay password. Okay, so here we will enter the C3Pay password that we have with us. So I have successfully entered the password, and the next step is I will just click on the next button. As you can check, it is processing. Okay, that means we have successfully entered the correct password. There was no mistake. This is very vital and very important, friends. Okay, it says update mobile number, enter new mobile number. Okay, so this is the place where we will simply change our old mobile number with new mobile number. As I said, you have to have a new mobile number as well, and we will simply enter our new mobile number here. Okay, so stay connected. I will provide my new mobile number here. So I have entered my new mobile number, and I am telling you again, friends, do not make mistake while entering your new mobile number. If you make mistake, your mobile number will not be changed. Okay, and then next we will hit the next button so that we receive an OTP and we just verify our mobile number that we have entered. So here is the place where we will just enter the OTP that we will be receiving in our new mobile number. So the OTP is here and it is auto validating, and you can check. Congratulations, you will use your updated mobile number to log in going forwards, and if we click here we'll be proceeding to our new login page. Okay, so that means that we have successfully updated our C3Pay with our new mobile number, and the mobile number has been changed now. But in order to make sure that the number has been successfully changed, what we will do, we will just log in once. Okay, so now we will click here, go to login. So once we click here, it shows the interface where we can just simply log in our C3Pay application. We'll click on login, and if I click on login, here I suppose the old number will be showing. Yes, the old number is not showing. The number has been replaced itself with the new number, and we'll just enter the password that we have for C3Pay application, and we can just simply log in. So stay connected. I will enter the password of our C3Pay application. So as we can check, we have entered the password for the C3Pay application, and now simply we'll click on login and we'll check the new number. Okay, we have to provide the password. So there was a mistake. I was just selecting the auto detected ID and password, okay, number and password, but we need to do it manually. And right now we'll just click on the login and we'll just save this for our future, and I suppose the login will be successful as because we have done it correctly, and hopefully the login will be successful. We'll just wait for some time. Okay friends, so we have successfully completed our process updating our old mobile number with a new mobile number in our C3Pay application. Friends, in the similar way, if you have lost your old phone or if you have lost your old SIM card and you want to change your mobile number in your C3Pay application using the same process, you can do it. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.